Yung final daily double plus one. Yung double forecast.
Kagabi, partner, ang preneba ni Crucis sa 1500 is 132 flat.
132. Yeah,
132. Tingnan natin ngayon ang ipepreba ni Hagdang Bato sa 1300 meters. Kasi yung 132, kung babawasan mo yan ng mga 200 meters, yung 1500 sa 132, bawasan mo ng mga 13, 14 seconds. Ang katumbas dun sa 1.3 is mga 118
yan.
Or 119.
119.
Pero
119 na Pugad Lawi, nakarang partner.
Itong si Crucis, tumakbo ito dito sa San Lazaro nung last year sa 1300. 1.17 ang ginawa nun.
Tama.
So, yun ang kailangan makita kung matutumbasan ni Hagdang Bato. Ang prebang yan. As you see, Silver Champ behind the starting gate sa isa na namang magandang anggulo ng ating SLBN crew.
And calling race number 11, here's partner Christopher Ora.
Thank you very much to both of you, partner Daniel Zambaon and Mr. Maki Maceda. We only waiting for Silver Champ, and race number 11 will be ready in just a short while. Class division category number 7. Final legs for double, final daily double plus one, Silver Champ. Now being loaded, set, ready for racing. Race number 11. Racing just is started. We have Immaculate Break, quick little start, rushing upon the outside. Hagdang Bato, 5-star in between horses, Silver Champa. Then next online, down on the inside now is Northlander. Then next online is Mista, while Panamaw King is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Hagdang Bato by length and a half, and in second is Immaculate, and in third comes 5-star Silver Champ comes next, then followed by Panamaw King alongside Mista, while Northlander now racing in less inside the threats Octavo in hands of J.B. Hernandez. That's Hagdang Bato, still takes care of the lead, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Immaculate in second, Silver Champ, Panamaw King now moving up down on the inside. Then next on is a 5-star Mista, Northlander, and they are now entering the home stretch. Hagdang Bato now strides away by about 10 lengths. Silver Champ in second, Immaculate, Panamaw King, last 75 years. Hagdang Bato now teaching them a real galloping lesson. The second, close, Immaculate, Silver Champ, then comes Panamaw King, Mista, 5-star, and Northlander.
Yes, partner, Hagdang Bato. The outstanding favorite ang siyang winner sa ating race number 11. Magandang naglaban, partner, sa segundo.
Segundo, close finish.
Between 7 and 2, Silver Champ at Immaculate. Yan.
Itong People's Champ natin, parang trumangko lang.
Nagahamon din, partner.
Titignan natin mamaya yung preba. Pero bago ang lahat, panoorin muna natin, replay nitong panalo ni Hagdang Bato, race number 11.
Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Kati Alice. Ginhawang mabilis, Skin Disease Alice.
Racing just is started. We have Immaculate Break, quick little start, rushing upon the outside. Hagdang Bato, 5-star in between horses, Silver Champa. Then next online, down on the inside now is Northlander. Then next online is Mista, while Panamaw King is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Hagdang Bato by a length and a half. And in second is Immaculate. And in third comes 5-star Silver Champ comes next. Then followed by Panama King alongside Mista. While Northlander now racing in last inside the Tres Octavo. In hands of JB Hernandez. That's Hagdang Bato. He still takes care of the lead. Enjoying a 4-length lead. Immaculate in second. Silver Champ. Panama King now moving up down on the inside. Then next on that is a 5-star Mr. Northlander, and they are now entering the home stretch. Hagdang Bato now he strides away by about 10 lengths. Silver Champ in second. Immaculate, Panama King last 75 meters. Hagdang Bato now teaching them a real galloping lesson. The second, close. Immaculate, Silver Champ, then comes Panama King, Mista, 5-star, and Northlander.
That's the
Eto.
unofficial winner, partner.
Yes.
Si Hagdang Bato.
1.19.
Pwede, partner.
Tingnan mo yung huling kwarto, 23 and a half. 23 and a half.
Quarter clockings niya, 7.5, 24, 24, finishing at 23.5, total 119 sa 1,300 meters.
Yung last quarter niya na 23 and a half, pagpalagay mo another 200 meters na gagawin niya sa 25, that's 12.5 seconds dadagdag, 131.5. Hindi nalalayo dun sa 1.32
Ni Crucis,
sa 15. Kita mo na, marami
yung
pa.
dating, yung binabayaran ng partner, 23 medya.
Oo.
Maraming
Talaga naman.
Si
Mukhang
Hagdang.
naghahamon. Matuloy ko yung muugong nung nakaraang buwan lang na match race kung tawagin. Ayan, pakita muna natin yung slow mo para sa Bayang Carista, lalo na doon sa datingan sa segundo.
Clear winner, yung number 6 na si Hagdang Bato. Dito, nagsigawan partner.
Dito,
sa loob ng grandstand. Ayan.
Dahan-dahan lang, direct.
Ayan.
Okay. Up.
Yun, oh.
Lakas ng ilaw nagre-reflect dun sa puti kasi si Silver Champ.
Pang-apat yung tres na si Panama King. Ayan.
Okay. Anyway, tulad nung lagi binabanggit, hindi po official. Yun yung napapanood na TV coverage. Ang official na pinagbabatayan ng mga photo finish ay yung photo patrol ng ating Board of Stewards.
At sa pick 5, naiwan dyan kay Hagdang Bato ng 53,821.
Kung pagsama-sama mo yung benta ng iba, wala pang 2,000. Okay? Yan ang tinatawag na outstanding.
Sabi nga ni partner Ira dyan,
Yan.
super, mega, outstanding favorite.
Iyo. Happy viewing kay Senyor Ira Herrera.
Pogi.
Okay, ito ang ating daily double na inabot ng 453,000 plus at ang pairings natin sa 1, 63, sa 2, 13, sa 3, 115, sa 4, 12, sa 5, 94, sa 6, 46, sa 7, 14. Kaya mo partner, sumirit yung benta ng 2, match point.
Second choice na, partner.
Second choice na.
Sa pairings.
So it's turning out to be a 3-horse race base sa benta nitong race number 12.
At sa winner take all, winners na. 816 or 408 winning tickets.
Sa second
Yan.
set yan.